activity in the campus of the.
So when will the meeting be conducted for Nantu Das related? When will the meeting be conducted on Nantu Das?
My one team is already working on that. Yesterday I came back in the night near about 9 p.m. Someone already informed and made a discussion with the registrar and other officers of the university, and they are already working on that. Okay, so procedurally I'm going to take the decision, but to complete the process it may take some time. No, already all of you are given me the 3 days time, and within 3 days time I will take the decision.
So what kind of action?
Mentaka Sngi ki samla pule ka North Eastern Hills University kila let turpuk shakamra u Vice Chancellor u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla bandawa Weng Hapoh olai Sngi ya Nantu Das ubade u Assistant Registrar Security ubala syak keno lekan shlen ya kawe ka samla pule ki samla pule kila khang talaru ya ka kamera office jong u kila ujor ejaharu persya yu halor kan ke jingkeno ba ula lekan shlen ya ka samla bat kila kentui ki pulet ban penstat ban kem ya u ngila khang talai ka office u Nantu Das ngi kerpat ki pulet bat ya ka kashari ban penyo ya ke jing bishar hok ladadon ki bay kendu kum ya kene ki de ban wan shakmat shaka union bakan yarap loong kawe ka samla pule na kalyang UVC ulakular ban bishar banya ya kene ke jing Dawa ka Nehusu bat unsa aya karai Hapoh lai Sngi halor kene ke jing Dawa ban Weng kam ya u shwaban le rung shakamra UVC bat ban khang talai ka kamra u Nantu ki samla pule kila pertash la artat terter kala donru ke jingya pen inia bat UVC handai hadin ulakular ban pet ya ke jing Dawa jongki katkum ki rule ha ka juk kapor ka khasi students union Nehu unit kala ujor she Vice Chancellor ban Weng kami u Nantu Das kum Assistant Director ka sports jong ka school ba Nehu habakran shakilat patahai khobor hadin ke jingya kendu u UVC u Professor Pishukla u General Secretary ka KSU Nehu unit u samla Rudolph Kain ulaong ba ka jinglet ya kendu jongki u UVC kalong ban ujor halor ke jingja ka belajar ha ka janmiet jong ka khat khanda tarik nai wing ha ka bakawai ka samla kan thei kala sha thombor ha ubar jela u Nantu Das na kalyang jong Vice Chancellor ulapan por bahapo ka Sngi Sngi an sashim ya karai ban Weng kam ya u laong u General Secretary ka KSU Nehu unit
Cases of Nantu Das, we appeal to the police to speed up the process and appeal to the court of law that the person shall be brought to justice.
And nga kenturu ya ki ya baro ki basyam kum kani ka jingja makin wan shakmat ban report. And we appeal to everyone also in this campus who have faced such things you should come forward and complain.
Speak up to the union so that we can help you in whatever way we can. And I would like to thank everyone for coming out today, for showing your support and solidarity. Thank you.
We cannot give concrete, accurate confirmation to that. What we can say is there's a possibility and a probability on that. That this might not be this same or the one time it has happened. Maybe multiple times has happened, but the thing is that no one has come out to reveal what has really happened. Maybe the victims earliest has not come into light to bring this into to actually bring out what has happened to them.
And what?
The victim is not a student of this university. She was
as the female squad, as in the coming weeks there will be inter-university football women. So as per the rules, the one particular woman should be squad the female team to participate in the university. So she is not a student of this university.
No.
Immediately after that incident yesterday, CD in charge of that old guest house, he had duly informed the registrar of the university. He has duly informed the sports director of the university, who is in charge at the moment. So yes, that happened yesterday. So from the union, we collectively come today to demand the vice chancellor to take a hard decision to remove this Nantu Das from all official designations. And after discussion with the Vice Chancellor, he has given us confirmation that he will need at least 1 or 2 days to give a decision considering our demands, and we are hopeful that he will take the actions accordingly. And if the administrators, if the Vice Chancellor does not act accordingly, we, the Students' Union, we will be prepared to take further measurements, and this is a message to the university in general. One incident happened. It is a sexual assault that has been conducted by one of our non-teaching faculty. He is by the name of Nantu Das, and he is the Assistant Director of Sports. So at around 11 approximately in the morning, the girl has reported that she was sexually harassed by this non-teaching faculty, who is the Assistant Sports Director of Nehusu. And as per the information that we have received from her, is that she was informed to report yesterday, okay, which was not a working day. So while coming from her hometown, halfway along Umsherpi, this Nantu Das, he came to pick her up. Okay, as per the rules and procedures, he cannot do that. So he himself picked her up, and then he escorted her till the Kianaba old guest house. So on reaching the site, reaching the room, what he did was that he started to assault her, started to harass her, sexually molest her sexually without the consent of the person involved. So she was fighting that Nantu Das, and with the grace of God, she was able to survive this incident. And after that fight that she was having with him, he fled the scene. After fleeing the scene, we get the news. Okay? We received the news that that girl was being molested, was sexually harassed by this Nantu Das. So we came immediately to Nehusu and to show support to her and to inquire what has really happened. So after having a discussion with her, then we were waiting for the family members to come, and the family members came, and then they had taken a decision after discussion, taken decisions to file an FIR against the Nantu Das, the alleged person. So after a few hours, we received the news that this Nantu Das had requested the police department to escort him to the police station. So when we went to file the FIR, we also witnessed that he was under police custody at that particular time. So that is what happened yesterday, and after that incident, she was taken into a hospital for medical tests as per rules and procedures. Victim that the person who was a victim yesterday, she is not the student of this university. She is a referee actually, so she has been appointed by the concerned authority to represent the university as the female escort, to escort the university team that is going to participate in the inter-university tournament that is going to be organized in Orissa. But the thing is that the tournament was supposed to be held next week. They are supposed to move out of the university next week, but the Nantu Das had requested her to report yesterday. So while coming to the visiting the site yesterday, we have witnessed that she is the only member of that team to be representing the university team to Orissa that is available at that particular spot. Because as per rules and procedures, the students also should be there. But we did not see any students, the players who have been selected to represent Nehusu to be in the old guest house yesterday. Only the victim was there with Nantu Das. But when we arrived at that site, Nantu Das has already fled the scene. So we're not able to confront him or to inquire him in any ways that we could possibly get.